They're doing Kukoyi. And inshallah, I was supposed to have traveled to Hajj this year. Now we've been at this since last week. The visa came out on Saturday evening. The visa we had paid since, and the visa came out on Saturday. Now since that Saturday, we've been at the airport trying to board. Now this is Al Yusuf. He's a travel tour agent, and he was the one I paid to. A lot of us, please guys, please come. A lot of us here paid. We got a visa on Saturday, and we got to the airport on Sunday morning at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. on Sunday morning, only to be told that the airspace had been closed. That NACO and who? NACO and Ahum are going to provide a rescue flight. Right. Now, that is what we've been made to wait for. We waited, and we were asked to come to Abuja on Sunday. We were in Abuja. Everybody, some of us paid 115,000 for one-way flight. Some paid 125, some paid 96,000 for one-way from our pockets. Do you understand? Now, we got into Abuja. We've been at this since yesterday. We were made to pay 750,000 again each. Amongst us, we have elderly women. We have elderly women amongst us. These are women, elderly women. We've been catering for them since Saturday. We all flew into Abuja on Sunday morning. Now, we were made to pay 750. Now, the thing is, some paid 750, some paid 720, some paid 775. Where is that confusion coming from? NACO, National Kinimwa, National Hajj Commission, you have defrauded us. We were going to the only land to go and serve Allah. And Lord Shisheni, we did not go through the back door. So all the necessary authorities come to our aid. Now the airspace is going to be fully closed or finally closed. Some of the generals' wives were just coming in. They were coming in tonight, and they allowed them. They went to give them boarding passes. These are officials here. These are officials here. Are we officials? I don't care what you are. You actually locked the gate on us. This man here locked the gate on us. He didn't want us to come in. This woman requested and asked why we were asked to come in. Now, we are here at the airport. Nigerians, this is what they are doing to us. What's that power? And what he wants is 750,000 extra. What pada lole? Awata ni ati wani airport. Last Saturday, I decided not to make this video earlier than this time because I wanted to know if anything positive will come out from it. They kept lying to us. The chairman, Dr. Kinney, the man with the white beard, he saw us and ran out. He ran away. NACO, Ati Ahum, NACOM, Ati Ahum, whatever your names are, you people, you have questions. They are not allowed an old woman. So easy, let's see 1 point. Finish this live video. These are elderly women. These are elderly women. I am here. We have a valid visas. We have valid visas. I needed to do this so that everybody will know what is going on. Look at the visa. This is the visa we were sent. 99th minute. We are at the airport. My name is Doyin Kukoyi. We are at the airport, and this is what the chairman, the board of directors, all of you, you've got questions to answer. I am on this one now. I will push it. Oh, Leni Gbajumo. Oh, Leni Gbajumo. Kani senko koni tori to law atanabi. Oh, Leni, collecting money and not doing the right thing. We paid. Why do you have travel tour agents? Al Yusuf Travel Tours, me or Mawatele. He was recommended by somebody reliable, and I decided to pay him. I had paid since over 3 million naira. Oh, what are they demanding for me? We paid her at the airport just yesterday. You asked us to pay another 750,000. Every single person here paid. Every single person. Even the old women, they didn't have money. We called their children. We helped out. We helped some of them out. And now this is happening. We have been here since morning. Since 7:30 a.m. And look at what the time is. Telling us there is a rescue flight. Kilo for rescue. Sawani woni. Sa sanwoni. Ole ni gbogbo yin pátápátá. But Yoruba wà nù wọn. Hausa wà nù wọn ton joga. Ole ni gbogbo yin pátápátá. Ọlọ́run á dé bí yín. Ọlọ́run á bí yín gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe fún wa yìí. Ọlọ́run á bí yín torí ìkàlẹ̀ ń ṣe. Àgbà free ticket. Àgbà free visa. We paid. We have doctors here, we have lawyers here, we have engineers here who left everything they are doing to go and serve Almighty Allah. And this is what you're paying us with. Oh, Lenio, Berolong, Dr. Zikirulai, Chairman, Nakom, Dr. Zikirulai, and you go funfun, by a loni, I feel no mask, Kiboju Saloni, or Saloni. Nigerians, please, as I'm doing this live video, start sharing it. Please, start sharing it. This is important. Women are in the hospital. Want to lock down, want to faint, want pass, it drips, want lara, lower, help us, Nigerians. Help us. I have it. I have it. I have evidence of payment. I have evidence of payment. I will not do anything behind back door. I will not. I paid, and this is what we are getting. This is what we are getting. Nigerians, all the government officials responsible, we are talking, and we keep shouting and keep making noise. Ole ni gbogbo yin ole, ni bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run á dé bí yín. Ọlọ́run á bí yín, Ẹlẹ́dàá gbogbo àwọn tó wà níbí wọ́n bí yín. Wọ́n bí yín ìkàlẹ̀ ṣe. Kò sí ìtọ́ àtọrọ owó lọ́wọ́ yín o. Àwa bẹ̀ yín. Àwa bẹ̀ yín, owó wa lélẹ̀, agún wa lélẹ̀. Àwa bẹ̀ yín. We have our visa ticket kini. Ticket kini. 750,000 extra. Our plane was Abuja. Mi ò ní business in Dubai. Mi ò ní business in Dubai. Kolo ya kon ti gbé mi. And now we are here. Now we are here. I'm making noise. Nigerians are listening. All of them, they are conniving. All the officials here, they are conniving. They all know what is going on. They are taking people through the back doors. They're giving people boarding passes at the point of entry, yes, or whatever. We saw everything going on here. We saw a lot going on here. A lot is going on here. Shady deals. Shady deals. Officials were calling us to come and bribe them. Master, this is the proof of payment. If you can see it, proof of payment to NACOM. We made this payment yesterday to NACOM. Proof of payment. Each and every single pilgrim here paid extra 750 after over 3 million naira. After over 3 million, 250, 750, everything. All lost 5 million naira. That's all. All lost 5 million. Come to our aid. Come to our aid. Come to our aid. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Lágbára Ọlọ́run.